Nifty Gateway tutorial. Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at Nifty Gateway tutorial. So Nifty Gateway is a digital art platform that allows us to buy and sell NFTs, and this is one of the largest platform out here. And we also have the opposite applications. You can go with your either your app store on your Google Play. You can also download the app. So you will see that the first you will see the lot of different options. These are the different NFTs. So Nifty platform, you will see the live drops, and you will see the upcoming drops and the trending publisher. These are all of these are options NFTs. And if you go with the drops over here, and you will see the feature drop, there are the aqua legendary king, and these auctions. These are a lot of different live drops you can choose with your NFTs and the publishers. So the marketplace is a place you can where you can check the NFT and buy and sell the minimum and the maximum NFTs. You will see a lot of different templates, crystal search. These are a bunch of different and beautiful templates. So simply, first all you have to do is to go on Nifty Gateway tutorial. You would once you do, you will see a landing page like this. First, I have to sign up this NFT. So first, all you have to do is give your email address, your first name, your last name, and there we go. Okay, you give us your password. Okay, I'm not a robot. Sign up with a password. Once you're done, take you to another page, and you will see you have to verify your email address. Just go and go your emails and check. There we go. I have see you have to verify the email. So there we go. Yeah, it has been verified successfully. Thank you. So now you will see the interface like this. Introduce yourself to the world. First, all you have to do is to you have to create your profile picture. I'm gonna go with these. I have one of these in my pictures, and I have to put that one. So this is my the profile picture, and you have to write a few lines about your bio, how you can look at your NFTs. So I will write like hi. So this is how you can give your bio, and I will be like I have to get off animal FTs. You have to take what kind of NFTs you are using for. You have to get this. Simply click on saves, and you will have a budget in mind. I will go with under $500. Click on continue, and what kind of digital item interests you. You will see a different item. These are most beautiful and popular, so I'm gonna go with that one. Just simply click on continue, and you will create your username automatically. You will also change that. I'm gonna go with that one. It also know me about 5 to 5 3. I'm gonna go with that one. It's created automatically. So secure your account, enable to FA. Do this later, not right now. Do this later. The payment method. So boom, there is your you will see my profile over here. Hello, name Abbas, and simply click your profile. Let's see how it's gonna be look like my profile. So you will see a wallet like Nifty Gateway wallet and Ethereum. We will see a two different wallets over here, and this is my profile, my name, my username, and you have that makes sense. I don't have any NFTs yet because I don't want to create any one of these. This is just for the tutorial. So I have zero NFT. This is how your profile look like once you sign up. So this is also you have also see the Nifty dashboards. You have the sales, purchases, transactions, active discount, display. You will see a lot of different options that your dashboard will create here on your dashboard. You will see I will go through the account setting. You will choose your display name, your username, your buy each and everything. You have to update or change that one. Then you will see a balance and payment method. You can cash out your bank or your cash out Gmail. This is also the platform of NFTs. So these are the external wallets. You can connect the external wallets with your NFT, and the seller setting, notification, you will security approvals. You will see option over here. So this is how like you will create your NFT, and you will first you have to sign up these there. So let's review the marketplace. So now the best part of the NFT platform is that you can option your NFT or whatever you want. You will create your own budget. You will curate all these NFTs by your own. As I told you, we will give you a minimum and maximum price. You will click or apply. You will see. You will get that NFTs over here. So you will see. Oh, there we go. Muhammad Ali. The next slide about there. Yeah, and this is cost. You're gonna cost with $98 for 49 cents. This is how you're gonna cost with that one. This is the best one NFT. The globals. These are all a bunch of different NFTs. So this is how you can use the NFT. You want to sign up, you will create your own NFT. You have to buy and sell NFTs. And once again, this is the largest platform out there. And the best part is you have an option your own. You can option your own NFT, whatever you want. So make sure if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the video, and I will catch you on the next video. And bye bye.